Thanks for joining us. Today we're gonna learn how to make our taquitos fritos. What we're gonna need is your favorite chicken. Mine is tinga. A lot of you have tried it at the restaurant, which is shredded chipotle chicken. You can make your favorite. It can be just a chicken breast seasoned with your favorite ingredients, and then you can just shred it and have it ready to make some tacos. Are we ready for it? So we're gonna need tortillas, your chicken, oil, and a little bit of salt. A lot of people, when they come to the restaurant, tell me that their tortillas break. It's the way that we handle our tortillas, so that is very important. Before we roll up the tacos, we're gonna warm up our tortillas. One of the easiest ways to warm the tortilla is in the microwave. You can use your pan as well, but I'm just gonna use our microwave to make a quick process. At the restaurant, of course, we make them differently as we have all the flat tops and fryers and everything that we need to make the transition easier. But since we're cooking at home, we're gonna use our microwave. I'm gonna put them in a paper towel and we're gonna put them in our microwave for like about a minute just to warm up the tortillas. One of the ways that we do our shredded chicken or chipotle chicken is that we roast some fresh tomatoes, chipotle peppers, onions, garlic, and different seasonings to give a lot of flavor to the chicken. So you can do that at home as well, like I said earlier, with your favorite seasonings that you can do to your taquitos fritos. Okay? Let's see if our tortillas are almost ready. They are. While we roll our taquitos, we're gonna stop warming our oil. One of the reasons that many times the tacos don't get fully crunchy is because our oil is not hot enough. So while we roll the tacos, we're gonna make sure our oil is warming up. Perfect. And we're gonna make sure we have enough oil in our pan. And we also are going to add some salt to the oil. This is gonna give flavor to the tortillas as well. Now our tortillas are warm enough. We're gonna grab the tortilla. Just grab the amount of chicken that you wanna add to your taco and make sure your chicken is cold. Why? Because it's gonna be easier to grab. So then you just roll them and you just have them ready. Like that. So that's what we're gonna do. Enough amount of chicken and then we'll just roll them. And you can make your tacos as big as you want, as thick as you want. You can make them smaller, thicker, less flavor, more flavor. Like I mentioned in the other videos, cooking is not about a recipe. It's about the flavors and textures that you want to bring to your table. One of the ways that you can see if your oil is completely hot is when it's clear, or you can also like feel it. Like you can hear the sizzling. Beautiful. And you can lower the volume of your stove to make sure, you know, it cooks evenly and they don't get burnt really quick. You just want the golden brown in your tacos. So we're gonna give them like 2 minutes and we're gonna check them and see how they are frying or getting crunchy. Yeah, I think about 2 minutes or so, depending on how hot your oil is. Here we are, patiently waiting for them to be done so we can finally have some dinner. You know that this dish, it's one of my daughter's favorites. When they were little, they would always ask, can we have taquitos fritos? Make sure. Now I barely cook at home, so this is like a great experience for me to like go back where I started. We're slowly gonna start turning them. See how slow the tortilla is like turning into a golden color. This is all preference as well. You can do like really hard and like dark golden brown, or you can do like a light fry. So it's up to you what you want to do with your cooking, right? So you patiently have to be waiting so they don't get burnt, and you can turn them as needed and they get the perfect crunch that you're looking for. It can be like dark golden brown, light fried, whatever you like to do with it. Your cooking, it's up to you. And since the chicken is already pre-cooked, We're just looking for that golden brown in the taco. I'll wait a little bit on one side for this one, and we shall be done with it. Yum. You can check the previous videos to learn how to make our guacamole and pico de gallo, so you can also serve them with the taquitos fritos. Make sure you drain them as much as you can to make sure you have that good looking golden brown in there. They smell so good. I really want to have some right away. Come back soon to learn more and cook with Mrs. Taco.